Exercise 6a, question 8 D3. The line joining the points A and B has a gradient of 2. Find t. First of all, we will arrange the data. This is A, which is x of A, and y of A is given 2 comma t, and we have B, which is x of B and y of B, which is given here 7 comma 2t square plus 7. xb is 7 and yb is 2t square plus 7. Now gradient is given 2. We are given the gradient, which is 2. Now we have to write the formula of gradient. Formula of gradient is slope of AB. This is yb minus ya upon xb minus xa. Now we have to write the values which is given in the data. Slope is given, which is 2, and yb, this is yb 2t square plus 7. Just please focus here, we have two terms here for yb. This is 2t square plus 7, then minus of this formula, then ya is t, which is here, ya is t, and in the denominator we have xb, which is xb is 7, then minus xa is 2. Clear? Now do some solution here. 7 minus 2, 2t square plus 7 minus t. 7 minus 2 gives you 5. When you transpose this 5 to the left hand, 5 2s are 10, then 2t square plus 7 minus t. Now transpose this 10 onto the right hand side, so it will be negative 2t square plus 7 minus t and minus 10. Now arrange this. 2t square minus t minus 10 or plus 7, minus plus minus, this will gives you minus 3, or here you left only 0. Now boys and girls, we have to break the middle term, as we have already discussed this before. I am explaining it one more time here. This is the coefficient of t square. It should be multiplied with the constant. 2 multiplied with the 3 gives you 6. Now what you have to do, you have 6 is the product, 6 is the number of which you have to find the factors. This is 6 ones are 6 and 3 twos are 6, and I can say 2 threes are 6 and 1 6 are 6. You can say that. Now you have to subtract any of the factor to come up 1, or in other words, in an easy way, we can say that I want only those numbers which subtract to give you 1, and when they multiply with each other to give you 6, which is 3 twos are 6 and 3 minus 2 gives you only 1. So 3 and 2 is the best option. We have to take it here for the middle term breaking. Now 2t square, I have to subtract 2 terms to give you 1t. So I will take minus 3t. When this minus 3t react with positive 2t, then this do the operation minus plus minus 3t and 2t, they both subtract with each other. Minus plus minus 3t minus 2t gives you minus t because of this 3. Now this 3, which is the constant, remains as it is. Now arrange them, 2t square with the 2t, 3t with the 3. So we can take a possible common, which will be easy for us. Okay, now 2t square plus 2t minus t, 3t and minus 3. Just for taking possible commons, that's why I have arranged them. Now out of these two terms, I have 2 and I have t as a common. I have 2 in both terms, I have taken 2 as a common. I have t in both the terms, I have taken t as a common. From this term I have taken 2, from this term I have taken 2 and 1 t from this t square, so only t left, plus I have taken 2 and I have taken t as well, so nothing is left, only 1 left. From here I have minus sign because both are having a minus sign, so I have taken the common sign negative. The 3 is here present on in the both terms, so I have taken 3 as a common. From this term when I have taken 3 as a common, so only t is left here. Now I have taken the minus sign as a common, so only plus is left. When I have taken 3 as a common, so only 1 is left. Now you can see that we have t plus 1 and t plus 1, which indicate that we have do the middle term breaking and we have taken the common correctly. So now I have to take these two brackets as a common one more time. I have taken t plus 1 as a common. Now these 2t minus 3 I have left here. Now this is equals to 0. When any factor equals to 0, 2 factors equals to 0, 3 factors equals to 0, means each and every factor equals to 0. So this factor is equals to 0 as well as this factor is equals to 0. So now how can we write it? T plus 1 equals to 0 and 2t minus 3 equals to 0. When you transpose this positive 1 over here, it will be t is equals to minus 1, and when you transpose this minus 3 over there, it will becomes positive, and this 2 is multiplying with this 3, it will be divided with the 3 by the 3. So we have the answer of t is minus 1 and we have the answer of t is 3 upon 2. Thank you.